pathway to medicine is a structure that exists within some of our BSc programs. It's for students who want a guaranteed interview for our graduate entry medicine program, but are keeping their options open, possibly as a fifth choice in their UCAS form when they're applying for undergraduate medicine, or they know that they want to do a first degree before they apply to graduate entry medicine. Mostly medical sciences type degrees for students who want to explore their passion for medicine. There are a range of other career options which our graduates go on to, but there is that pathway there for those students who want them.
The Pathways to Medicine courses are an excellent foundation for going into graduate entry medicine because firstly it gives you a chance to enjoy Swansea and to get a little taste of what it's like to be in university. It's also a great backup choice if, like me, you don't get into medicine the first time. It gives you another chance to apply through your fifth choice and to get around to medicine in the long run. It also prepares you for what it's going to be like to be a doctor and to work with patients every day, and that's invaluable.